Welcome back to Market Making Mondays, episode 17. And in this episode, we're going to continue talking about what's been going on for the week and what I predict to happen this week in the market. So you already know how it goes. Run my intro. Hey friends and new traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I teach day traders just like you how to become profitable by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get into this one. We are back with Market Making Mondays. This is episode 17 and it looks like the level that I want to get hit finally got hit. So last week I was talking about this daily high, this is a daily level, was not retested. We finally got the retest this week. So you can see that it dipped below the daily high. Actually caught a move last week going down towards the entry level, which I was looking for. So on the 4-hour, you can see that this was an area of interest that I was looking for the market to be drawn to. The actual setup that I caught this week, the simple Fibonacci. So high to low. And my target was like a little bit below the negative 27. You can see it hit the negative 61.8 to the T. So perfect trade entry. And I actually got the entry right here. As you can see, it came back, retested this level right here, which was a daily level, respected the 61.8, and then retraced down. Crazy thing is, when I was in this trade, and you can see it was all the way down here at one point, and then news came in and it retraced it all the way back up. Now I wasn't nervous at all because I was 100% sure that price was gonna just come back down, which it did. It just retested the 4-hour moving average, and yeah, it came right down to target. So that was a 1 to 13, like I said last week. Caught that move. Pretty nice, decent setup. So like I said, for the rest of the year and going into next week, the setup for me pretty much, I didn't catch this move right here. So going into next week, it respected this area. I expected more upside movement. I could show you guys where. More upside movement to this trend line, filling in these gaps. So yeah, pretty decent setup right here. And then on the 4-hour, back on the 4-hour, pretty much low to high. Low to high, and you can see that it hit the 71.8, 78.6. So for next week, I would be looking for this high to be taken out. Possibly hit this moving average, and then I'll be looking for a retracement to actually get in the actual trade, because since I didn't get in right here, so I can't really put on the Fibonacci at this moment, but I am looking for a retracement. We do have a little gap right here as well as a return candle right here. So that is a level of interest that the market might pull back to, depending how high it goes. If it just continues like this, then it'll be a short pullback, possibly to 38.2, and then I'll be holding that trade. So we are coming towards the end of the year. We're pretty much at the end of the year. So this was just a really short video. I hope you guys really enjoyed these videos so far this year, and be looking out for more and more market making money videos in the new year. Take advantage over the holidays. If you have some downtime to go back and watch these episodes, you can see that a lot of the moves that I predicted did happen, so you could get understanding of how I got to that conclusion of how the move happened. And the soak up game is free game for now, so who knows how long this one be free for. So take advantage of it. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of y'all day, evening, or night whenever you decide to watch these videos. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. And make sure you guys hit the notification button, and make sure you guys are writing comments down below so I know you guys are soaking up game. So I am out. Peace.